Now, the other instructions that we were given is to come and confirm the status of this airstrip and ensure that it is also activated so that construction can start and it be completed, because for quite some time we've not had this airstrip operating and it was decommissioned, but now we are recommissioning it back under the instructions of His Excellency the President so that we can have this airstrip operating here in Kisii. He also gave us instructions to go to the ASK grounds and check the status of that ASK grounds, which is supposed to be moved elsewhere, so that we can have a state-of-the-art stadium built in that place so that it can cater for this area of southern, this is called Southern Nyanza area. And because, as you are aware, we are also doing the 3 pathways for our CBE program. The students that would be doing arts and sports then would have a facility in Kisii that they can use as they are studying. The other project that the President activated is the project relating to affordable housing. As you are aware, the Kisii Prison, which sits on, I think, 15 acres, is right in the middle of town, and it was initially designed to hold about 600 prisoners. It currently has 1,400 prisoners, which it requires expansion. So we needed to have it moved to the facility or the land that is existing in Nyaturago, that is 600 acres, give them about 50 acres or between 50 and 100 acres, and build a modern prison there, as we also build now the affordable housing in Kisii. Kisii as a community, and you are all aware, we have no land. And because of that, we are actually candidate number 1 of the affordable housing. So as much land as we can get available to activate the housing, affordable housing program in Kisii is a welcome move. So we will be doing affordable housing where the Kisii prison currently stands, and we would move the prison which will be constructed again in Nyaturago, which will be a modern prison, and it will come with other facilities like schools and other communal clinics, so that the prison, both the prisoners and the prison staff, they will have facilities that actually are fit for them.
We normally say in Gusii, the time for us to do what? To harvest or to milk the cow. And either now there is a good widow around, we'll have to harness that opportunity. Therefore, there will be a leadership meeting with the President, again to follow up a number of issues. The President promised the expansion of Kabrong-Kisii Road. And probably we may go the direction of dual, so that there is a toll station or a toll station there for it to recap up the money that has been used for the construction. I'm happy. We have checked with the prison. I'm optimistic that at the end of the term, we'll have gotten significant projects completed in Kisii. I'm happy that most of those projects that we asked the President, he gladly accepted.
So now that we're working together going forward, and this started last Friday by the visit that was done to the State House. We had everybody in State House, and it has given us a momentum that we need to carry through. That's where we're able to get these projects, and we're able to proceed and ensure that our people are getting development as required.